So hello Hansel. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough on the website just so that if I can see anything or anything jumps out, I can mention it to you now, and then you can contact your web developer if you think that it is something that you do want to address or anything like that. So this is just your home page. I'll start there first. I know you gave me the landing page as well, but I just want to break down just in case there's anything in the main website that might need to be targeted before we run traffic. So just having a look, and so that all looks nice. Okay, so there's this no more button here, but there's nothing here. So this blank space looks, I don't know if it's it looks unprofessional leaving blank space there. Here you've got these little, moving on. I would space that so that these quotes are centered. Okay, so see how on the arrow keys it's right up on there. And these are all quotes by Ganesh. I'm guessing, yeah. Okay, so I'd center all these quotes. So yeah, social proof with these past clients. Have you got any testimonials from any of these guys? Because maybe these testimonials could be up here as well. And so then you've got these different programs, but only one that they can enroll in. So how do they find out more about these different levels? There's only an enroll now for this one. Also, just comes to like just these boxes. I don't think there's. So like this is really nice. How it looks like it kind of all blends in. This is a bit more like the contrast between the background and these. Maybe if you changed up the text or somehow made that softer, they just feel really in your face. Like it doesn't seem to like the design of it. Maybe with these featured programs, just like how you've got these four things here, maybe you could do a similar kind of style with these four programs, so that they're not like the design doesn't seem so, like the contrast isn't so stark. Maybe like to soften it up a little bit. Oh yeah, and then you got all these quotes here, so that's good. Cool. I'm just gonna check to make sure that all these links are good. Alright, and then we've got down the bottom here, you've got code shown. Copyright's good. WhatsApp and email contact. I don't know if you're getting a lot of spam by a lot of internet scrapers. If you are finding that you're getting a lot of spam, having your info, like your email and your WhatsApp, in an image will help to reduce on spam that you're getting. If it's just text-based, then a lot of scrapers and organic marketers might be scraping your email and your contact, and you might be getting a lot of spam. Alright. Okay, I just want to keep clicking on links and making sure everything loads. And then you've got an email list, it looks like. Okay, so you don't have your all site protected by SSL certificates, so security certificates, so that will be damaging any SEO. That one is got a certificate on it, security certificate. Okay, I'm not gonna. Cool. So that loaded. So this one is coming with your IP address, not your website address. And so is this. Okay, so when it's clicking the About, it's meant to be going to the About section, which is fine. I'm guessing all these, yeah. So that's what I would expect to happen. So the fact that when we were on home, okay, it's still showing like your IP. Yep, got terms and conditions. So you've got then your IP address as well, as opposed to your website. Okay, you got just a random T in your returns and refund policy. And yep, just the IP as opposed to your domain name. Okay, so you got your number. Okay, yep. You could do that form on your website, maybe. Just so they don't have to go off your website. Okay, so you got a broken link. I think that's maybe the first one. No, join us. That's the form. That's the meditation subscription. Is this... That was that blank space. Okay, so the blank space loads now in this one. So before there was this empty blank space, but now it loads. So you have this page not directed anywhere. Contact us. Yep. Cool. And I just want to check all your... Okay, so you've got Facebook, you haven't got any Twitter connected, you don't have any Instagram connected, and you don't have any YouTube connected. So you don't need to be displaying these different social media unless they're connected. So I'd just be putting your Facebook and leaving the other ones off. Your contact information has got your IP as opposed to your domain name. And so this gets your elemental action. Okay. Here at this page, let's close that one. Did contact. Our journey or our mission. Just another way of framing our journey. Maybe make it more like about the visitor. Not that mission would really do that, but something. Cool. So you're posting and sharing stuff. You got lots of tags. Okay. Won't go too much more into that. So this, I don't know what's going on there. That's the join us. It's meditation subscription. The no more. So no more. It's a pop up. Okay, cool. Cool. And so then this is the page that you said that you'd be interested in running traffic to. So I would center this. It should be here. This could also be more centered. Just like, or at least put a spacing here, because it's right up on the box there. 9 p.m. like either or like small p.m. Okay, so I'd center all this material. If we're going to do this, if you're going to be doing a landing page, driving to this, we want to put in some sales copy here. So basically, we want to give the emotional reason why people need to be doing this breath work and meditation. Because we want to be running ads to sign them up into breathwork and meditation. So for anyone who clicks on, just to give them that understanding of why breathwork and meditation is so important for them in an emotional sense, then we want to say why it is so important to them in a logical sense. Like, so some of the science behind it potentially. And then we want to put the scarcity fear or the reason why they need to act now. So just that simple 1, 2, 3 emotion, logic, and scarcity or fear. We want to tie into this page so that when we are driving to this landing page also hooks their attention and gets them to want to act. So just a bit not having the little comma. Don't have the comma after Monday. You've got 2 commas here. Okay, energy exchange. Okay, so these are cost. Cool. So that's good where you have that as opposed to then. Right, so here you got that. Here you're doubling up. So you don't have your email, you have the IP address again, and you've got the WhatsApp. But this is really clear and nice for the WhatsApp. You've got code down the bottom here still. Alright, so we basically, on this page, if we're going to be driving traffic here, we want pretty much everything on this page to point to doing one thing and one thing only. Let's see. So this page, this section, maybe not on the landing page, like maybe sell it a little bit more, and then when they click on enroll now, so if everything on this page is all focused to get them to click on enroll now, and then giving everyone then focusing on getting everyone to sign up to standard, and as they sign up to standard, then giving them the upsell to this. But if you give people too many choices, then they're not going to make a decision on anything. So you just want to basically give them one choice. Just a little type thing up to having a space between there. And different options. So you really want to cut down options. Like maybe you're a recurring, anyway. Yeah, you want to make it so that there's not options. It's only one option. Cool, so that's all good, having testimonials. And then what do you have here?
Are you dealing with stress, anxiety, rapidly advancing old age, fear of the future, depression? And is this pandemic getting at your mind before it really gets to you?
Oh, okay, so if this is your sales pitch, this should be maybe like the very first thing. Having that video up the top. Cool. It's like social proof again. All these people doing the classes. Yep, more social proof. Alright, so now I'm just going to test out your enroll now. Oh. What happens if I click that? Yep, cool. Alright, enroll now. Takes me there. Let's see. Page not found. Okay, so you definitely want to fix up these any broken links that we've found. Yep. So that was this bottom one. Yogic breathwork checkout didn't go anywhere. As they go and enroll now. So on this page too, you probably don't want any other. Don't confuse them. Don't put anything else except for that they're going. You want them to enroll now, and then from the enroll now, then you can have a checkout page. Just checking these. So with options again, take away all the options. So basically, if they went and they clicked on, if these prices were not here, if it was enroll now, you click on enroll now, it goes to a sales page. In the sales page, it just gives basically your standard plan for 1 month, and when they add it to the order, if you could then go like, wait, upgrade today for just an extra and then do the difference of what the upgrades are to get the extra recordings. And the other option that you also have is if you're going for all go standard to the month, but then as they're checking it out, go up it now to 6 months for the extra. So we kind of want to again keep it simple and don't give choices, because people generally start to get flustered and then don't make decisions. If you just keep it very simple, that okay, 1 month for this, and then before they completely do it, so once they enter in their details, they go then on the next screen, you go, wait, before you go, would you like to upgrade to the 3 month option, saving yourself, if there is a saving. If there's no saving in it, so if it's just that they get to spend now for it, I don't know if there's any saving with the 6 months or not, then what you should just do is do a 1 month recurring, that you'll be billed this every month, and try and do a subscription plan. Take away that option and go, it's for every 1 month automatically billed, and you can cancel at any time. That way it takes out this option, and then you can basically focus on, wait, do you want double? Do you want to double your sessions and double the amount of available recordings to you? Add it per month and get access to these other, and then have kind of an upsales sales page for this premium plan. Okay, so that's a quick look through the website.